Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and positioning parts for clear access. Once the needle and presser foot are raised, place the spool on the pin and wind a bobbin if needed. Thread the machine along the prescribed path, through the top guides, around the tension discs, and into the K-cup lever. This controls tension and stitch formation. Make sure the thread sits between the discs when pulled. Once done, keep slight tension as you prepare to bring the thread down toward the needle area. You now focus on the bobbin and needle relationship, which makes the stitch. Put the bobbin in its case so the thread feeds smoothly. Incorrect direction causes jams. Hold the top thread and slowly turn the handwheel toward you 1 to 2 revolutions to lower and raise the needle. This picks up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the rear, keeping 1 to 2 inches of tail to prevent slipping. Make sure the needle eye is clear and the correct size for the thread. You finish by selecting stitch settings and testing on a scrap. Sew a few lines slowly. Observe thread behavior and stitch quality. If you see loops on the bottom or skipped stitches, recheck threading order and tension. Usually rethreading top and bobbin while maintaining thread path solves it. If problems persist, remove lint from the hook area and swap the needle for a fresh one. A bent or dull needle causes many faults. Finally, retention slide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.